Sea Camp is an educational outreach program where current students or graduated students can come back and share their knowledge to the younger generations of marine biologists, those that have an interest in it or those that have any kind of questions or just want to learn more. We're here to give that outreach and teach them more about the ocean, about the things in the ocean and what they can do with a marine biology degree.
I think my favorite experience was probably seining. They take you out to the marshes where there's like grass and shallow water with a big net, and you walk around and you catch little sea creatures like fish and crabs and hermit crabs, and just getting to like pick them up and have our instructor Mario like tell us all about them was probably my favorite because I've never done anything like that before.
The Trident is a really nice research vessel boat that we got to go on today. And we got to do tons of cool experiments on it. We got to drag sediment from the bottom of the ocean and kind of see what's in it, why is it like this. And then we also were dragging a net behind us, trawling, to see what organisms we could find. So we found shrimp, fish, flounder, crabs, tons of cool things. We actually got to see a blue crab that had eggs on her. So that was a neat experience.
The boat trip was really, really cool. I've never been on a boat like that. I've only been on like commercial boats, and so like seeing like an actual like big ship and doing all the science experiments, I did every single one of them because I was so excited about it. It was a completely different experience, and seeing the dolphins like that were right next to the ship, it was wild. It's really cool to see all these people like coming together because especially in Kansas, you don't see as many marine biologists. So it's cool being in like a dorm room with a bunch of people that have the exact same interests as you. And it's just cool that we're all very different people, but we're all coming together for this one passion.
It's a great time here at Sea Camp, and if anybody is out there kind of questioning, I don't know if I'm ready to go to the ocean, I'd say come on down to Sea Camp and not to worry, you're gonna have the greatest time of your life here.